How to silence your text messages at night. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide in how you can silence your text messages at night, or how you can set them to silent only at night. Now if you sleep and you do not want your phone to be set to do not disturb mode or such, now the easiest way is to set it to do not disturb mode before you sleep, right? But if you forget to do so and you want to set a schedule that you don't get text or you don't get the text notifications at night, then here is what you can do. You can scroll down the notification bar. Now if you're on iPhone 2, you can do the same thing. Now on Android, you want to simply head into your do not disturb mode settings. You want to tap and hold and you want to head into do not disturb settings. Right now here you can see you can simply enable do not disturb, right? But below you can see the schedule option. You can simply add new schedule. Now I have enabled here sleeping schedule. As you can see, you can simply enable this. Now this will be set to every day from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. You won't be getting any notifications, so you will be getting sound sleep. Now other thing is you can simply tap on add schedule and you can create a new schedule for your nighttime, from that you sleep to you wake up normally. So this way you can silence text messages at night. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.